Alright, for pre-calc, this is going to be graphing inequalities. We're going to just do probably 3 graphs here, maybe 4. We'll start with one that's nice and quick and simple. Let's do y is greater than or equal to 5. Alright, so because we have this or equal sign, we know that we're going to have a solid line. So let me graph y equals 5. And you can draw it straighter than I can, as I'm using a stylus and you're not. So, greater than. Well, there's a couple ways we can do it. Greater than generally means above, or we can test the point. Is 0 greater than or equal to 5? Absolutely not. So, the opposite side of the line must be where we're shading. So in here, just draw whatever you can. Alright, so if we have 2x minus 3y is greater than 6, I'm going to subtract 2x to get things to the other side. So we got negative 3y is less than negative 2x plus 6. And when I divide by negative 3, we're going to flip the sign like we normally do. And we got y equals 2 is greater than or equal to 2x, 2/3 x minus 2. So I put a point at negative 2, go up 2 over 3, and once again I have a solid line because of this. Now greater than is above. Sorry, apparently someone needs to take a bath. If you didn't hear that clearly. So, since we're greater than, or 0 is greater than 2/3 times 0 minus 2, 0 is greater than negative 2, and that is yes, here at 0, 0, so I'm going to shade everything up here. Alright, the next one we have y is less than the absolute value of x plus 1. So in my calculator, I'm just going to put in y equals the absolute value of x plus 1, go to my table, and basically have 0 in the middle so that we can have 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right hand side. Now this time this is going to be dotted because if you notice right here there is no or equals. So hopefully my graph, this probably needed to go out farther. Alright, so this is also less than sign, which probably means we're doing under, or we can test our point of 0, 0. 0 is less than 1. That is true. So we're going to shade everything. That was yes here at 0, 0. We're going to shade everything underneath. Okay, let's do one more. Let's say that we have a problem where, that's a y right there, 0 is less than 2x plus y, which is less than 5. Well, if we have that part, I'm just going to subtract 2x. And we got negative 2x is less than y. And so, start at 0, 0, slope of negative 2. And we'll have a dotted line going this way and a dotted line going this way. Please make your line straighter and better than mine. And then for this other part, when I subtract 2x, subtract 2x, y is less than negative 2x plus 5. Well, there's 5, there's down 2 over 1, and there's my graph. Now, a lot of times we want to check, but since this is in between, I can just basically shade everything in the middle here of these parallel lines. And that's a little bit on graphing inequalities.